This is a, a Hotpoint washing machine with electrical short in it, and I've identified the short is there. I've suspected, because I've seen this before, that the most likely culprit in this is the what's called the mains filter, which is this thing down here. Now, to test this, I've got a spare one which I've got from a previous machine, and I know it's good. Now, to get this done very simply, I've disconnected the output power leads from the mains filter, which is these ones here. Now, they go into this fitting here, which unfortunately doesn't apply to this particular version of a mains filter. So I've had to make an adaptation to that, and I've got some leads I've made up to have a male fitting going in there and a female fitting going in there, and so that's now all connected. In effect, what I've done is to bypass this and the plug, have my own one in with a new plug, and what I've done, I've connected up some prongs with my meter, and that shows there's no amps and there's no current passing. So in effect, there's now no short in this machine. The whole lot of it is good. I don't need to check any other bits and pieces. I now know what was wrong. All I had to do is just remove that, put my new one in place, and it'll be working. So easy.